Today is my last day in Croatia. Oh my god, I'm so happy because I can finally go back to the van.
We tried just friends. Tension is growing. Let's take one night, see where it's going. I do. I think I like it. I'm kinda into you. Don't wanna hide it. Never know when we go.
Good morning. Oh my god, yesterday was a really exhausting ride. Look where I am. I'm so happy. Oh my god, it was about time. You're gonna be like, what? Why did you do that? Everything is just different in the van right now. Let me show you. A complete mess. I put a new flooring in. I don't know if you can see that. This is the old floor. I have some new packages that arrived when I was on holiday with my parents. I got myself a new mattress. I'm gonna put it in now. I want to show you.
I do. I think I like it. I'm kinda into you. Don't wanna hide it. Never know what we could do unless we try.
What? What happened? Oh my. My new mattress. It's a customized mattress that fits perfectly into the shape of my bed. Before I always had those kind of separated cushions, you know? And when you lay, sometimes you just go in between the edges and that's so annoying. Can't wait.
Maybe we could feel it out.
What? That is so luxurious.
I lose my mind every time you get close to me.
Oh my god, it's so cool. Oh, I'm so happy. That is so cool. A proper mattress? My god. Just oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe how perfect. Oh, it's so comfy. It's like a proper bed. Oh god. It's so good. Señoras. So I cleaned up a little bit. I put back the walls because my oven is still out, because for the mod, when I was getting the mod, I was not allowed to have a stove officially in the van. The guy actually said, you know, I don't care what you do afterwards, but just to pass the mod I have to take it out, so that's why my stove is out. Yeah, I wanted to build a new sink and make this a little bit bigger, so I have a little bit more surface to work. Thought about if I should put tiles all over here to protect the wall, because you know it always gets from the cooking so oily. And then eventually get like a extendable table so I can actually sit here and work, or sit here and eat.
I do. I think I like it.
It's almost not getting any exciting anymore if I keep converting the van, but that's just how it is. I just love doing it, and I just love converting my van. I just kind of stayed here where my parents live because they have enough space to work and to redo the van a little bit. Most of the stuff you probably won't see the difference because it's just redone. It's not different, it's just redone. And I mean, come on, that is already pretty chill, this thing. Imagine I'm taking out my candle. Wait. And imagine I wouldn't be in the garage, but I would be in front of the ocean right now. And I would just be chilling here in my hammock and just read and read. You know how I love to improvise, but that's just how it is. It's autumn, by the way, already. I want to show you all of its new things. Let's go. Before we do that, we have to roll this up, so we can store it above there on my plate. But I'm just gonna put it here right now, because you're there and I don't want to be you know, letting you waiting too long. Okay, so let's start this. I think you can already see the first difference in the van, which are the pink tiles.
Got me high, don't know why. Think I'm thinking about you differently. About you differently. I do.
You know, my van is kind of pink anyway, and I just thought it fits really nicely. And that is pretty much the same counter, almost the same counter, just with a different plate. Before it was wood, and now it's a white countertop. It brightens up the van so much, and it's so like lively. It's very cute. I love it. And I have the same door handles, the same door, but I changed it. So I changed the whole door by adding these little pieces.
Introducing the Buzz.
Look at my beautiful new counter. And these are the doors that I painted. It's like a new dish. Let me show you my super organized drawers that I built. Okay, so as usual, I have my oils and stuff here. Nothing changed. Then I built in this little drawer with cans and more cans. Then this one, plates and bowls. And then, oh my god, this, guys, do you see that? I mean, do you see that? It's a different kind of separation for the forks and knife. It's from the brand Joseph, and I'm only telling you because I'm so convinced about how beautiful it is and how much place it saves. Because normally, you know, these ones that are in the drawers, right? They're like this, but this, you have so much space left here on this side and here and here and here. And then I'm gonna show you one more thing right above. I used a lot this time acrylic glass, and you will see that up there too. And this is my beauty shelf. Yes, everything is organized. You don't know. I always used boxes, you know, boxes to put it there on top or whatever. And now I have this separated little cotton pads, my lipsticks, my nail polish, my lipsticks, and my powders and stuff, and deodorant, and all the things that I need to get ready in the morning. So imagine your girl will be like brushing my teeth in my new sink. Oh, let me get ready for the day. Woo! Let's open this very organized drawer of mine. And you know, since it's winter, it's gonna be very dark, so you're just gonna slide out this little mirror, put the light on, and oh my god, yes, putting a lipstick on and back in, lights out, and all the way back. I got this new, and when I saw this pink drill in the hardware store, I was like, I have to get it. And it's so beautiful. And I built everything with this little part. I still have the foam here. This is also new, a new tap, which runs really perfectly. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but this is also new. And it has a reason why I worked with this kind of plastic plexi acrylic glass, because I thought, you know, in every kitchen you have, normally if you're in a home stable, you see the things right through. You know, normally when you have a van, you have to cover it up because you don't want it to move when you drive. But I was thinking, what can I do to make it actually visible? So I worked with a lot with this acrylic glass, and I'm just so in love with it because it gives such a nice texture, a nice look to it. And you can actually, from afar, it actually looks like it's just a normal shelf, you know, not in a van. So I've been loving this acrylic glass a lot. This sink, it's a proper sink, and look at this. You can turn it and twist it, and the water goes in and out. Because I used to have always problems while washing dishes. My sink was always so small. If you build a van, make sure the sink is big enough for you to wash the pots and dishes, because it's annoying. It's very annoying. I also haven't showed you my new little trash can. That is just the perfect color. The floor is new, by the way, completely. Okay, so on the other side of the drawer, we have typically a little box to clean. but I actually got this now with the big sink. I don't have a gray water tank, so I drilled a hole inside the car and the water runs through in this pipe immediately on the floor, so everything goes out. So it is important to have a cleaning, how do you call that, a cleaning dishwasher soap that is 100% like gets degraded. Abaoba. It's made of lemongrass. It's all natural. Otherwise, you will do harm to the nature, and we try not to. So yeah. And I got these. Look at that. Isn't that cute? It's some kind of bags for soaps. You put the soap inside, and you put this clothes, and you can just wash yourself. You know, because I'm trying to even use less and less plastic. I mean, with the beauty stuff, it's a little bit difficult. But I'm trying. And I mean, if you live in the van anyway, you're already pretty green in general because of the water, the sun, the electricity, everything's pretty green. Then I just have my pots here and a little thing where I can get this here paper and a foldable bucket, another one, and for the shower, because now I have a warm water gas boiler. It's not a boiler, but it's a Durchlaufhitze. I have been trying to work it out this morning or yesterday. Got this pump, which will be connected on this hose here for the water, and I'm gonna hopefully have warm water, and I don't have to always boil it up, the water, which takes ages. So this is like a super cool, cheap extra, although it's pretty big actually when you look at it. But I'm gonna store it just in the front, and I will always hook it on because this can only be used in the outdoors because of all the monoxide exposure of it. Typical water pump, which is a very easy system. We just put the hose here. Oh, that fits nicely. And then eventually put a cable binder on so no water leaks out, and then you connect it to minus and plus. I have been trying to adjust the hot shower thing for the last couple of hours. I installed an on and off switch for the pump that goes into any kind of water source. I'm wearing the worst outfit. Since I'm installing things, I don't even care. This little switch, on and off switch, will be installed on the side of the wood. I'm gonna press this, and you see the water is coming up through the pump, and then you have the shower, and now I have to see if I adjust the heat. Can I save water? I don't have that much. How do I do that? How do I get more hot water? Yeah, and then I have more stuff. You know the guy's bathroom and the girl's bathroom? The guy has one shower gel and one shampoo, and you see the girls have at least 5 products for her hair and for her body, and I wish I could go less sometimes, but it's very difficult. You just walk around the street and you're like, I would like to try this out, and you buy it, you know. But somehow, I don't know, it's the curiosity to try new little beauty products, I guess. Then this shelf, as always, with food, some spices, and all my Asian noodles, my life, my everything. Because if I couldn't eat that in the van, I would be screwed. Whoa, you're gonna see. What is that? Look at this. Look at this. You're gonna be amazed. Back to this, back to this, back to this. I know it doesn't look like there is a lot of work done, but there is. Because when you put the new floor in, I had to take everything out. I was taking everything out to put a new floor in, and you know how I was always missing sort of on a bigger table, and I couldn't really sit and work. It was always a little bit uncomfortable. So I found this amazing foldable leg. That's right. Tell him, girl. And was first a big challenge to install it, because I didn't know how do I install it the best way. So I found those. I drilled some holes in the metal, and I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna slide it in here underneath. You can still see it, but push it up. And there's tension between this thing and the table. This is a very amazing, super secure, extended table. And I would be sitting right here, have dinner, work, and have a view. I would do my nails. I would be everything. I can also put a chair here and then watch TV while eating. So the possibilities are endless. And then if I don't need it, I'm just gonna store it in the front. And that's it. Woo! Okay, gosh. That is pretty much it. And this plant is called My Last Hope, because this is actually the last chance for me to believe that I can actually deal with something green. So it's been standing here in the light and it's looking a little bit more healthier, but I'm gonna keep you updated. We are all trying to save this life and keep it alive as long as possible. I feel like my van got a little bit heavier than before. It's what it is. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. I don't know where, I don't know when. I will not let you wait for me that long anymore, I promise. You know, the build out takes so much time and effort, and I really just want to focus on that, and I don't want to just film and build and film and build. So now it's time for me to come back to YouTube for sure. Okay guys, I'll see you soon.
I think I like it.
I'm kinda into you.